MTI Commerce's Platinum Supermarket is a premier supermarket management system. It provides all the essential information and tools required for a retailer who is looking to automate their inventory, sales, and customer information. MTI Commerce has won 2 national software awards for offering retailers intuitive and easy-to-use total business automation and management systems. And with over 25 years of practical application running small to medium-sized retail businesses, we are ready to take your business to the next level. With Platinum Supermarket, the growth path is already set for you. As your sales grow, Platinum Supermarket can grow with you. From the complete supermarket management system to a multi-channel solution, Brick and Click, allowing you to sell 24/7 on your own website as well as different marketplaces. This means as you add items to your store system, you expose them to millions of potential new customers without the cost of advertising. Platinum Supermarket is currently available in both English and Spanish, with the possible addition of another 26 different languages. The Platinum Supermarket software package consists of 2 separate applications: the back office software for managing your business and the point of sale software. To begin the demo, we will start in the back office software. If we go into Inventory and then Items, this is where we're able to add new items. Here we're able to scan the item and enter its barcode into the system, give it a name, enter in the cost on our end, and the selling price. We're also able to set units of measure. If the item comes from a case or parent item, the vendor that we received the item from, the physical location of that item. We can also enter if the item is taxable, and if we live in an area where we have different sales taxes for different items, we can set up multiple tax tables. We're also able to set the department for the item and add pictures so they're visible on the checkout screen. We're also able to check and adjust inventory status, make an item acceptable for payment with food stamps, add comments for items to show up for the cashier to use suggestive marketing, check sales history, and see our various vendors for this item. With the addition of a scale at checkout or in a deli, meat, produce department, Platinum Supermarket saves both time and money by keeping a more accurate eye on products sold by weight and increases productivity. Back in the inventory menu, we can adjust inventory directly, set up promotional pricing for items, adjust price or cost for items if they have changed, or easily change an item number if a company changes their barcodes. If we go into inventory reports, there are a variety of reports that we can run. As we can see, we can at any time run a general inventory report, a report that will show us our hot selling or slow moving items, price list, sales history, monthly lost or shrinkage report, cost of sales, inventory valuation, either general or by department, or a zero sales report. The physical inventory worksheet is very helpful for when you go through and do an actual physical on-hand inventory count in your store. We can also run reports for category group, 0 or negative on-hand items, most or least sold items, committed items, quantity or value lost, return to vendor, price changes, parent and child inventory, bonus points, mix and match, and same as reports. If we quickly go into Inventory Valuation and click Select, we can see that the reports have a great amount of different search criteria, so we are able to customize using these criteria to view the reports how we need them. For this report, first we'll run it as a detailed report. We just click the Report button and go ahead and click Preview, and we can see a fully itemized report with the value of our inventory. Now closing that, we can run the same report, but in summary. Again, we just click the Report button and preview it. We can quickly and easily see a lot of really important information for any business. Our total units sold, as well as total sales, total cost, and total profit. We can also see the total number of units that we have on hand, the total value of our inventory, the total retail value of that same inventory, and we can also check our total month-to-date quantity and value lost. Back on the inventory menu, we can set up mix and match items, kit items, add or edit departments, make same as items, set up flexible store coupons, check our physical inventory, or update our deli scale data information. Now if we go into the purchasing menu, we have several options. The Purchasing Advisory tool makes ordering recommendations which can be sorted by vendor and previewed or printed out. We can use this report alone to place an order with our vendor, or we can go back into the purchasing menu and into the purchase order option. Here we can generate a new purchase order by using the Purchase Advisory, or manually enter information to generate a new purchase order. If we use the Purchase Order by Purchase Advisory function, and then select the vendor that we'd like to order from the list, we simply enter the method that we receive the items and click Continue. The Platinum Supermarket system keeps track of the past 12 months' sales and purchases for each item and generates a purchase order based on the information provided in the Purchase Advisory. We are also able to see current week-to-date and month-to-date sales information for each item, along with current inventory numbers and the number of units that we would like to order. This number can be edited or items can be deleted off the order. But by using this function, we turn you into a great purchasing agent for your business. Once we've completed the order, we just click Save and Print, enter in our account number with that vendor, and we can preview the purchase order before we print it. Once satisfied, we can choose to print this purchase order, which will save it to the system, assisting us later with our receiving process. The resulting printed purchase order can be faxed to our vendor to place our order. Back in the purchasing menu, we can edit an existing purchase order or use one of two options to receive items. For items that we've generated a purchase order in the system, we simply click Merchandise Receipt. We choose By Item Number and then enter in our purchase order number or press F1 to select an existing order. This pulls up the entire purchase order that we've generated. If we were missing items or items were short from the order, we can make adjustments in the system and they will be placed into backorder status. Once finished, we simply click Save and Print and Post, and easy as that, our order is received into the system. The other option for receiving, if we go into Manual Receiving, we are able to receive items into the system by barcode or manufacturer number. We'll select Item Number or Barcode, and then we select our vendor that we are receiving from by using the list. Now that we've confirmed the vendor, we can receive items from a new order by simply pressing the Add button, and then scanning the barcode of the item, and entering the quantity received. Occasionally we will order new items that are not yet in the system, and Platinum Supermarket offers an Add on the Fly feature, so we can scan the item and easily add it into the system at the time of receiving. After we've completed scanning in this order, we just click Save and Print, and then click Post to update the quantities in the system. Receiving orders is as simple as this. We also have the options to generate Return to Vendor orders for damaged or expired goods, cancel a purchase order, or display which items are on an existing purchase order. With the addition of a barcode printer, we're also able to print barcode labels either in shelf format or for a specific item. We can also enter in vendor information or edit it as we need to. For larger stores, the Platinum Supermarket software does allow for the use of radio frequency scanners to create purchase orders, receive items, or update inventory counts without the need to be directly next to a computer. In the Customer menu, we are able to add in or edit customer information, produce custom quotations for customers, and pull up history for all customers, for a single customer, or for a specific item. We also offer full accounts receivable functions for wholesalers. In the Manager menu, we are able to run a lot of different functions for setup of the store, including adding in employees and sales clerks. We can also use the Security Level Authorization tool to set different levels of access to the software for different employees. This means that the owner of the store can have all functionality of the software, the manager can have slightly less, and we can work our way down so that a cashier only has access to the point of sale itself. Our software also interfaces with different accounting packages, including QuickBooks, to ease and assist us when it comes to tax time. The Data Warehouse allows us a place to store all of our important sales information and easily navigate through it to generate reports for older data. We have the possibility to look up daily sales from the past, store cost analysis, inventory item numbers, the history of a particular sales clerk, and transaction dates. All of this information can be pulled up for a different store or platform, specific sales dates, and in detailed or summary view. We also have the option to just preview these reports or print them out to keep a hard paper copy. Now in the point of sale portion of the Platinum Supermarket software, we have several different options in the Sales menu. The first, Sales, will take us into the portion of the application that we use for checkout. We have the option to use the customer database if we'd like, or that function can be turned off completely. At this screen, we simply scan the barcode of items at checkout, and once complete, we subtotal, enter the amount given, and the software tells the cashier the amount of change to give back. This will also kick the cash drawer open and print a receipt for the customer as well. We also have the ability to do split tender transactions. This software also offers a training feature For training new cashiers so that no inventory is adjusted and any mistakes made do not affect the sales history. We are also able to issue gift certificates, store credit, check suspended transactions, edit or cancel transactions, and at any time we can run a flash sale transaction report and preview or print it. This is a really quick and easy way to check sales for the day. In register closing, we have the ability to run an X out or Z out just like with a normal cash register. Under time cards, a business owner can have their employees clock in and out through this system, which will keep accurate track of an employee's hours and is much more difficult to cheat than a time punch. In summary, MTI Commerce's Platinum Supermarket is the ultimate ease-of-use market point-of-sale software, and with a set growth path, the software is able to grow with your business.